So I started with the quadratic function, and this quadratic function, no, of f equals, open brace, x y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, close bracket. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then from this equation, we divide both sides by a. Divide both sides by a. So the equation becomes ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a equals 0. Okay, by simplifying this, we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. So what next is we transpose this. We transpose this on the right side. So x becomes minus b over 2a plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now we take the right side into single fraction by having the same denominator of 2a. The right side now becomes, we have the common denominator 2a, and the numerator becomes negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is how we arrive to this known formula as quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. And this is usually used in solving problems